So here's some drone footage I took on a recent vacation. Actually, this was purely generated by AI, as was this, and this, and this. OpenAI, creator of the AI generators ChatGPT and DALL-E, has unveiled Sora, a text-to-video AI generator. This is unlike anything ever created and will surely change our world forever once again. In this video, I'll explain Sora in more detail and cover some major changes potentially coming that could disrupt the creative world as we know it. OpenAI describes Sora as an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. Currently, the text-to-video model can generate videos up to 1 minute long. For those who do not know, these AI generators typically require users to enter prompts describing what you want created. For this example, the prompt was photorealistic close-up video of 2 pirate ships battling each other as they sail inside a cup of coffee. Sora took this input from whoever entered it and outputted this amazing video. In all honesty, at this point in time, Sora is not perfect. For example, this treadmill runner is not using the machine as designed. As such, the tool is only available to testers who are currently assessing areas of potential harm or risks. So again, this announcement by OpenAI is purely just showing the progress that has been made. Now clearly this is exciting to some people and very concerning to others. So here are a few impacts that this type of AI could have on the world in the future. First up is with advertising and video creation in general. As a company owner, why would you pay for an ad agency to create a commercial when you can do it yourself using something like Sora? Additionally, why offer somebody on TikTok a brand deal when once again you can generate it by yourself? Even on YouTube, why would you watch a channel like mine when AI can do it better? Next up, with regards to stock footage. Using Sora in the future will likely be much easier to create whatever you want. Personally, I struggle to find B-roll often for YouTube videos, and a tool like this is actually something that I would probably use. Next up, perhaps more so in the long term, is the creation of movies and TV shows. This includes both animated and with real actors. In the future, I'm sure you'll be able to enter a prompt and create an entire TV show episode. At this point, these videos have no audio included, but I imagine this is something in the works. This is a cause of concern for actors, animators, and people like that. Last but not least, arguably the most critical piece to watch out for is the creation of deep fakes. Right now, these videos are clearly AI driven when you look at them closely, but soon I imagine things will be different. We'll have to assume that OpenAI is taking the right measures to ensure security, but it'll be interesting to see how things unfold. Now, I don't mean to be purely negative with this technology as it is truly impressive. Still, the future of humanity will surely be in for an interesting ride. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, to stay up to date on all changes in design and tech, make sure to join my newsletter. There's a link in the description. Only takes a few minutes to read.